That's my favorite. Bahabas. Hello, happy October.
I'm gonna dye my hair purple.
Hello, welcome back to my vlog. Today we got Chick-fil-A and Kathy paid for me. Do I need to sleep more? There's something wrong with my eye. Maybe it's allergy? I don't know, I literally just slept and woke up. Crush your eye. I love sashimi. Scallop, octopus, salmon, squid. Alright, got some spooky season decoration from Daiso. I got the Sanrio one. Cute. So you have a pumpkin. I don't know these characters' name. Little Twin Star, My Melody, Hello Kitty, Cinnamon Roll. The painting, the like fall Halloween flowers, and the landlords. No, the garland. No, what are they called?
Hey guys, welcome back to Vicky's vlog. October vlog.
Wow, 6 feet tall.
You gonna eat pumpkins?
Welcome back. I got a pumpkin. You want me to show you? Oh, who's that? I don't know. I don't know what else I got. Okay, so I want to try to make this. Like, how hard could it be? Oh my. Okay, now I'm making like the skin part, the white part. Not gonna lie, this is kind of relaxing, but the amount of time I have stabbed myself with this needle sucks. But it's kind of cool. Needle felling is kind of cool. I found a new hobby. Look how cute. Like salt and pepper. There's that one. Look at this one. Everything. Oh, I want a house just to decorate. I found something even cooler. Oh, salt and pepper. How fun. Okay, so I tried to update on my, it's a day later, but update on my disposable camera. Oh my god, I just saw the gas price go up. Like, it went from $4.98 to $5.09. One thing about me, no I'm kidding, but seriously, one thing about me is that I do anything without the freeway. Like, I'll take the longer, like if it's the difference in an hour, I will make the difference in an hour. I will make sure I don't take the freeway. But the other day I did, because it's the weekend and no one's really on the freeway, no one's driving on the weekend, so I did, and it was fine. My favorite. Bahabas. Dun, 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 dun. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Haul time to Taco Bell. The Taco Bell box, and they just got a new truffle fry item, and obviously the sauce. I saw this on an ad, and ads get me. How cute everything is.
It's us.
Ew. Look at this one.
Really?
Oh. Oh. Ew. Okay, haul time. I haven't. So I went to Old Navy and I just got black sweatpants because I have sweatpants in every color but black. Then I went to Michael's. I'm out of breath. I need to get this checked out, but I got a pumpkin. How cute. It's only $150. I just got a hoodie in like this muted purple gray color. I don't know. Anyways, the best part, so there's like this TikTok account that sells candy from New York. Something I forgot, I see on my For You page. So the candy, like you can't really buy it. You can only buy at a candy store, like an actual candy store, not like at a supermarket. Like, you know, the sour belts, my favorite. And I wanted, hold up. Okay, so it's kind of frozen, but this is what I got. That's what's in it. If you guys want to know, so like all of my, I love the sour candy, so I got that. This 2 pound of Rainbow Lace. Savory. Is that anything? I don't know. And then I got like a mystery box. Okay, happy Halloween, and I'm gonna go pick up my disposable photo. So let's see if they didn't expire. Got it. Alright, so I got this camera in 2019. So let's just see what it is. CD. I don't know what that is. Starting off good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Oh, that's kind of scary actually. Very, very good. Very good again. The picture, I brought this during snowing. And you know what? Some of these are kind of cute. Someone screams out, she's